Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from San Carlos Park. I want to show you this new listing my wife got. It's a very unique home. It's located in a very convenient location in the heart of Lee County. Okay, as you can see here, you got a very different design. That's what makes this house so unique. You got your steel roof. I'm gonna first go to the backyard to show you the backyard. As you can see, it has a humongous backyard. Okay, and you got two lanais for you to enjoy this Florida weather during the winter month. You have a lanai over here and a bigger lanai over there. I'll be showing you that one later when I get to the other side of the house. So let's keep going. Let me show you this big yard. So you can see here you have a humongous mango tree. For what I hear from the owner, it has the best mangoes that they ever ate. So they're gonna miss this mango tree. It has very good mangoes and it gives a lot of mangoes. Okay, let me stand over here in the corner so you can visualize the size of the yard. It's a humongous yard. Okay. Let me go around here. And that area there, this lanai area here, it's basically, you know, that's where they do the barbecues. They do barbecues, and you could actually put a jacuzzi if you really think about it. I think that's what the owner had here before. So power, they didn't have any power for it. So let me go in here and show you. You see, it's a nice place to just relax and enjoy your Florida weather. And over that's the window towards the kitchen, and this is a slider that goes into one of the bedrooms. So it's a pretty nice area here to enjoy your afternoons. Okay, let's keep going. Over here you have your filtration system. Okay, this house is on well water, but you also could hook up to the county water if you would like. The owner says he's very happy with the water, so he just decided to stay with the well. Over here's your AC. And oh, one thing I forgot to show you. Let me go back here a little. If you look up there, all those windows up there, that's the master bedroom. Wait until you see how big it is and nice. Okay. So you can see all the metal roof. It's very unique, this house. Wait until you see the inside. They have high roofs, and it's have been completely remodeled inside, so you're gonna really like this home. Okay, so now let's go inside and I can show it to you. So as you come into the screen lanai. We're in. As you can see, as you come into this beautiful living room. Check out how spacious and the high ceilings. Very nice. And over here, you got your dining room. Very nice, very bright. And out there you have the slider that takes you to the lanai, the first lanai that I showed you. Okay. Over here you got the kitchen. Okay, let me come around so I could show you the kitchen. Okay. If you see the cabinets, they're all made out of solid mahogany. Very nice. Look at that. They're all solid mahogany, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And over here you got a place to sit down and enjoy the outdoors inside with this beautiful windows that goes to the backyard, and this other window that goes to the lanai, the second lanai that I showed you. And then over here you have a slider that goes also into the lanai. The nice thing is during winter, most of the people just open the doors because the temperature in December, January, and even November, it tends to be really cool. So people just open all the doors, turn off the AC, and by opening those doors and with the lanai, your home gets a lot bigger. In the sense that it's more, it feels nice. I mean, that's one of the things that people like to come to Florida for, because during the winter month, it's great. Okay, here's your kitchen. And from here, from the kitchen, if you're entertaining, you could actually be here, entertaining everybody and, and cooking at the same time. If you have kids, it's also nice. You could be doing the homework on the table and you could be washing them. So it's pretty nice. So now let's keep going. Over here, this is the bathroom. As you can see, shower has been completely remodeled. New toilets. Granite countertop on the sink. Very nice. And over here to my left, this is the laundry. See, you got your laundry right here. So it's nice, very convenient to have it inside the house. And as we come to this is one of the bedrooms. They have it for exercise room right now. And you can see you have your closet over here, and that's the door that goes to the big lanai. So now we're going to the second bedroom. Check it out. It's a big size, very tasteful decorated. Stand over here in the corner so you could visualize it here. Okay, like I was saying in the beginning of the video, the location of San Carlos is right in the heart of Lee County. So you're close to the university, you're close to the malls, you're close to the airport, you're close to the beaches, you're close to almost everything here. So it's a very nice place to live, since you have all those things so close. Also, right now they're building up a lot of office buildings and businesses around the area, so a lot of new people are coming into the area also. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you up to the master bedroom. As you can see, the staircase is all wood. And as you come in here, check out this master bedroom. It is big. Look at the ceiling. Very, very nice. Let me stand in the corner here so you can visualize the size and see how nice this place is. Very private because you're away from the bottom. I mean, from up here you can also see what's going on downstairs if you have kids. So it's really nice. And the closet, I mean, it's huge. Check it out, humongous closet. And one thing that I like is the windows and the brightness. Check out the windows. See if I can do something with the video here. Check it out. Those are the windows that I show you from the outside. So you really get an experience of being outside and you're inside. So it's really nice if you like bright rooms. Okay, now we keep going to the master bathroom. Over here you got your countertop with your sink. And over here you got your shower with your toilet. Okay, please comment below what you think about this home. It's very unique, ready to move in. I mean, if you want to know about the price and the status of the property, please go on the description below, and I'll have a link there with a full report, so that way you know if it's already sold or if it's active or pending. So that'll give you information on the price also. Everybody wants to know the price. So if you want to know the price, just go ahead and click on the description below, full report, and you'll have this complete report that shows you pictures, more pictures, and it gives you a better description of the property. Okay, so feel free to go down there and click on that full report, and you'll see everything that maybe I missed on that full report. Okay. Well, I think this is it. I show you the whole home. I would like you to please comment below what you think about this home. And remember, if you're looking for a home in Lee County, Naples, feel free to contact us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in Lee County and Naples for over 20 years. So feel free to contact us, okay? If you want more information on this home, also, if you don't, you could call us at 239-410-7372. Okay, hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, wait 1 second, I forgot. Still gotta show you the garage. Okay, the nice thing about this garage is that it's outside, but you don't have to go through. You don't have to go through the outside of the home, the inside of the home. You can actually go out here, make a left, and that's their garage. Let me turn over here the light. Okay, this is the garage. As you can see, it's very well taken care of. Everything is very organized. The current owners are very organized and have kept this house very well. Okay, the floor, check out the nice floor. So, well, now I can say, and now I can say the goodbye again. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you on the next one. Let me go back inside. Okay, we're back inside. Okay, signing off from San Carlos. On to the next video.